Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check Toyota Camry transmission fluid. Gather gloves, a clean rag, and the vehicle manual, then warm the engine to normal temperature. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Locate the transmission dipstick if equipped, or identify the fill plug under the pan for sealed units. Use gloves and a rag to avoid burns, and always follow the owner manual instructions carefully. Warm the engine to normal operating temperature for an accurate fluid level reading. Position the car on level ground and apply the parking brake to prevent movement. Put on gloves and eye protection to protect against hot fluid and spills. Keep a clean rag and a container handy to catch drips. Review the owner manual for dipstick location or sealed transmission guidance before proceeding to the fluid check itself. With the engine warm and idling as the manual specifies, remove the transmission dipstick carefully and wipe it clean. Reinsert the dipstick fully, then pull it out to read the level and inspect the color and smell. Pink, translucent fluid with no burnt odor is healthy, while brown or a burnt smell indicates service is needed. If low, add the manufacturer-recommended fluid in small amounts and recheck until the correct level is reached.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.